This is a presentation of the regional Rusumo Falls Hydroelectric project between Tanzania, Rwanda and Burundi, 80 megawatts hydropower project, being presented by the project manager, Engineer Lois Oduor. Overall construction of the project is at 95%, civil works being 97%, while electromechanical works being at close to 93%. Starting with the headworks, we are through with all radial gates and the intake gates, and we are removing the coffer dam, and finally we will close the radial gates and divert the water, impounding it into the Headwall Tunnel. The Headwall Tunnel is complete. We are just blanking off the section that was facilitating entry into it. It is 703 meters, crossing the international road 3 times, and it is also crossing under the one-stop border post of Rusumo. We are finalizing activities there in August 2022. The major part is penstocks and transformer area. On the penstocks, when they are already encast and covered, that is where we are putting the transformers. So this is done, and we are right now doing all the transformer foundations. We are going to start by number 1, 2, and 3, and then later the diesel standby generator. So the powerhouse is complete, as you can see on the picture. On top of it, there is the takeoff switchyard that will facilitate connection of the transmission lines that will connect to the main switchyard in Rwanda part, and it facilitates connections to the 3 generators. The Tailrace installations, embedded parts is complete. We are now doing final touches so that we lower the gates and the stop locks that will be controlling the draft tube as water is released after running the turbines into the Tailrace back to the river. The switchyard is complete. Civil works and installation of primary equipment together with secondary equipment. Cold or dry testing is beginning as of this week, the week that will begin from 21st of August. The testing of the functional tests of the equipment will continue. This switchyard is facilitating the connection of the Rusumo hydropower plant output to the 3 grids of TANESCO on the right, Regideso at the center, and REG on the left side of the picture. What we are going on currently with installation is only the telecommunication equipment which will be finalized before end of this month. The transmission line Rusumo Bugesera Shango, that is the one to REG network, is at 82% and will be completed in October 2022. Rusumo Muinga Gitega, which is the connection into the Regideso grid, will be completed before end of this month, that is August 2022, while Rusumo Nyakanazi, that is the one going to Tanzania, TANESCO grids, is at 81% and will be completed in October 2022. The local area development program and projects that are associated with this project are such that the first phase was completed for all the 3 countries. We are getting into the second phase, and the communes and districts in the 3 countries have submitted projects that have been accepted by the World Bank, and we are right now entering into MOUs, and then we start the procurement of services. About the blasting and backwater effect, which basically is the safeguard issues, we are addressing the damages that were caused to the farmers or pups on the Rwanda and Tanzania. We finalized with the backwater compensation for Rwanda. while Tanzania right now is ongoing, and we want to finish before we close the gates, before we impound the water into the Headwall Tunnel. Construction of Rwanda houses that were damaged is also ongoing. Tanzania, we are finalizing on the budget, and then we will, when it is approved, we will proceed and procure the contractors. So anywhere between September, October this year, we will start full construction of the houses. We thank you all, and we want your support in everything going forward up to its final commissioning the first quarter of 2023. Thank you.